High above, satellites drift silently. They watch our world, their unblinking eyes recording all they see. Sometimes they capture something strange. In remote corners of the Earth, patterns emerge. Perfectly aligned holes pierce the ground, visible from miles above. What are these mysterious formations? Are they natural wonders or something more? The holes appear in deserts, on plains, and even beneath the waves. Their size varies. Some are small, like pinpricks in the earth. Others are enormous, dwarfing entire buildings. Their alignment is what truly confounds. The holes form straight lines, precise grids, and even complex geometric shapes. These patterns whisper of intention, of something beyond the random hand of nature. Could these formations be purely natural? Geologists offer several explanations. Erosion, the slow wearing down of rock, can create unusual shapes. Wind and water over millennia might carve holes in a line, following fault lines or softer rock. Tectonic forces, the powerful movements of the Earth's crust, could also play a role. As plates shift and collide, they might fracture the ground in a linear pattern. Volcanic activity provides another possible answer. Molten rock rising from deep within the Earth can create a chain of vents. These vents, once the lava cools and recedes, might leave behind a series of aligned holes. These explanations are plausible. Nature, after all, is capable of extraordinary artistry. Yet some formations display a precision that seems to defy natural processes. What if these holes are not natural? What if they are the remnants of ancient human activity? Throughout history, humans have left their mark on the planet. From Stonehenge to the Nazca lines, we have built structures that are visible from the sky. Could these holes be another example of ancient ingenuity? Ancient people were skilled astronomers and surveyors. They tracked the stars, measured the Earth, and created calendars with astonishing accuracy. Is it so difficult to imagine them creating these aligned holes? Perhaps they served a practical purpose, marking boundaries, storing grain, or channeling water. Or perhaps they held a more ceremonial significance, aligning with celestial events or honoring ancient beliefs. Some researchers propose an even more radical theory. What if these holes are the legacy of a lost civilization, far more advanced than we previously imagined? This civilization, they argue, possessed technology and knowledge that have been lost to time. They could manipulate stone with ease, creating structures that defy our current understanding. The idea of lost civilizations is tantalizing. It speaks to our fascination with the unknown, and the possibility that our history is far richer and more complex than we realize. Could these aligned holes be evidence of their existence, a whisper from a forgotten past? The mystery of the aligned holes remains. We are left to ponder their origins, weighing the evidence and debating the possibilities. Are they natural wonders, sculpted by the patient hand of time? Are they the legacy of our ancestors, a testament to human ingenuity? Or do they hint at something more profound, a lost chapter in our planet's history? The answer, like the holes themselves, remains elusive. More research is needed. We must study the formations in detail, analyze their composition, and search for clues to their age and purpose. Only then can we hope to unlock the secrets they hold. The aligned holes are a reminder of how much we still don't know about our planet. They challenge our assumptions and ignite our curiosity. We must answer their call. We must explore, investigate, and never stop asking questions. The pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end, and the answers we seek may forever change our understanding of the past and perhaps even our future.